Hey everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you where to find your save game and config files for The Elder Scrolls 4, Oblivion Remastered on PC. If you're trying to back up your saves or tweak your settings, this will help. Let's get started. First, open any folder on your PC. Now go to Documents. Open My Games. Open Oblivion Remastered. Inside this folder, open the one named Saved. Then, open the Saved Games folder. This is where all your save files are stored. Now go back to the saved folder. From here, open the config folder. Then, open the Windows folder. Inside, you'll see a file called Game User Settings. Double-click to open it, and you'll find all your configuration settings there, ready for edits or backup. And that's it. That's how you find both your save files and config files for Oblivion Remastered on PC. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy gaming guides. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.